Good morning students. Welcome to the science class. Today we are learning question answers about agriculture lesson. First question, multiple choice. First one, cultivation of two or more crops on the same field in the same season is called dash. Cultivation of two or more crops on the same field in the same season is called dash. Options are crop rotation, mixed cropping, harvesting and plowing. The correct option is B, mixed cropping. Cultivation of two or more crops on the same field in the same season is called mixed cropping. Second, cultivation of two or more crops on the same field but in different season is called dash. Options: mixed cropping, harvesting, crop rotation and sowing. The correct option is C, crop rotation. Cultivation of two or more crops on the same field in a different season is called crop rotation. Third, the following is grouped under cereals dash. Options: pineapple, bajra, peach and tomato. The correct option is bajra. The following is grouped under cereals. Answer is bajra. Fourth, the following is grouped under plantation farming is called dash. Options: brinjal, chili, tomato and potato. The correct option is potato. The following is grouped under plantation farming is called potato. Second main question is fill in the blanks. First one, the person who sacrifices himself and produces food is called farmer. Second, earthworms are called farmers' friends. Third, soil involves loosening and turning it by the process of plowing. Fourth, soil fertility is a measure of land's capacity to sufficiently provide the nutrients that are needed to grow crops. Fifth one, the process of removing weeds is called weeding. Sixth, the process of cutting and gathering of crops is called harvesting. The third main question is match the following. First one, plowing. Plowing. The correct option is turning and loosening the soil. Harvesting. Second is harvesting. Harvesting means when we cut and gathering the ripened crops. Third, manuring means increases the fertility of the soil. Fourth, irrigation means watering the field. Fifth, protection of crops, spraying of pesticides. The fourth main question is true or false. Farm laborers do not get work throughout the year. That answer is false. Second, they get very less wages. That is true. Third, farm laborers are very rich. No, it is false. Manjamma is a farm laborer. No, that is false. Rangamma is a successful lady agriculturist. False. Julkamma is a small-scale farmer. That is true. The fifth main question is give reasons. There are many helpers in the field of large-scale farmers. Why? Answer: because they are very rich. Second, farmers are advised to adopt drip irrigation in recent years. Why? Because less water can be used for the irrigation. Third, why do people depend on farmers? Answer: people depends on farmers for food. The sixth main question is answer the following questions. Agriculture. What is agriculture? Answer: the practice of growing plants on a large scale for food or other purposes is called agriculture. Question number 2. What are pesticides? Answer: a substance which is used for destroying insects or other organisms is called pesticides. Third, define crops. What do you mean by crops? Answer: the plants that are grown in large quantities in a particular area or region at a particular season are called crops. Fourth, who is the father of Green Revolution? Answer: M.S. Swaminathan was the father of Green Revolution. Fifth, define scarecrows. Answer: it is an image of the shape of human being that is placed in fields to frighten away birds. Sixth, how many stages are there in agriculture? Write in orders. Answer: there are 6 stages in agriculture. First, plowing the land. Second, sowing the seeds. Third, using fertilizers. Fourth, irrigation. Fifth, protecting the crops. Sixth, harvesting the crops. Question number 7. Difference between rain-fed agriculture land and irrigated agriculture land. First, we have studied about rain-fed agriculture land. Rain-fed agricultural, which falls under less rainfall area, is called rain-fed agriculture land. Crops which requires less water and are suitable for that soil are grown there. For example, jawar and bajra. Irrigated agriculture land. Apart from rainwater is supplied to the crops from pond, canals, wells and bore wells. Cultivating the land using water from any of these sources is called irrigated agriculture, and for example, sugarcane and paddy. Question number 8. Draw a systematic flow chart listing out the various agriculture practices in order. These are the agriculture practices or steps. First is soil preparation. Next, selection, and in soil preparation there are 3 types. They are plowing, leveling and manuring. Next step is selection and sowing of seeds. Third, irrigation. Fourth, weeding and crop protection. And last is harvesting and storage. So that's completed your question answer, students. Thank you.